Well, here we go. I'm on my way to the Siyeh Pass, and then from there, gonna get to the side of Mount Siyeh and walk up this damn thing, I guess. Walk, climb, whatever you want to call it. I think the weather today is probably the best I've ever had, which is fantastic, because this is probably going to be the hardest hike that I've done, or that I will be doing during this trip. It's just, it's like 55, clear skies, just beautiful temperature, and there's a nice breeze. It's going to get to around 80 today probably, so hopefully that breeze keeps up and I won't be, you know, roasting on the side of the mountain. But probably couldn't have asked for any better conditions than this. So, feel good, and I can't believe I'm about to go up a freaking 10,000 foot mountain, but I don't know. Yeah, just here we go.
Do you know about the truth? Devalued as soon as we're cast, we were never made to last.
I gotta say, this area of the park is absolutely brimming with life right now. There are butterflies, birds, bees, squirrels, everything everywhere. All the flowers and plants, everything, trees are all so rich. The area was so dry and so desperate for rain. This is just a perfect day. The weather is still gorgeous. Everything's been great so far.
It's a shame you won't live. But then again,